So, welcome, to the second part where we will understand the basic settings that we need to do and how to do it so that you can replicate that and make a very good impression. So you can see that my picture I've cut and put another picture, but you can put an even more good picture. Okay, so you can also try to put an even more good picture, which would really create a good impression. Okay, among the others. So that's very important. So let's get into how we're going to edit this page. So that's very important. So we saw how this page is important and how it reflects only the way you do and build this. Okay, this is like a website also. Okay, so you see, LinkedIn is a very mature platform where you get lots of important people in this group. Okay, so um, it's not like various other platforms where you get all the people gathering, but here you get a group which is really more profound and I know it's a good network that you can build. Okay, so building a network is another session. We will try to look at it in the advanced sections. Okay, so I'm just clicking the picture. You can just select a good picture, which is having a good pixel or clarity and put them there. If you want to remove the background, just go to remove.bg, cut the pic, put it there. Okay, you can edit it, add a photo, add a frame. Okay, if I want to put a frame like open to work, or if I'm hiring, okay, I can do the same here. Okay, so then anyone can see that. So I'm giving that setting. Okay, so it's important to have a very good picture here so that you get good impressions. So this one, is editing the basic details here. Okay, so when you edit this information, it is so important you put it in a right way. Okay, because it has to be caps, and then you put this designations. I'm a training officer, and then I put I'm an author, I'm a community builder, and then I'm having an LMS platform and soft skills and job coach. All those information when you split it and put it, it really helps the other person to understand how to do it. Okay, so then when I here's the same button which I saw, no open to hire another thing. So add profile sections. So I'm just getting into the add profiling section. I can edit the education. I've already edited, so I'm not going to do that. But just showing you edit section, I'm just clicking and then I can just add the schooling degree field, start date, end date, grade, activities, description. That comes, and then comes another section where you add the skills. Just Google out and find out and put a good media as well. Okay, so then you go to enhance your profile. Okay, where you can add a custom button across LinkedIn, drive visits to your website, portfolio, and I can also add my website there. Okay, so one important thing is this is just a basic version, but you can uh, try to get an uh, you know premium version where you can get more access, more facilities, more courses, and more other features that they give, which is available. Okay, if you have the premium version, you will have a icon which shows IN, which is your premium version of LinkedIn. Okay, so when you're editing this section, you need to put it very carefully. Okay, don't just put one thing just like that, data entry officer, something like that. But no, you need to put it in a very efficient way that is showing who you are. So, skilled trainer and soft skill trainer, facilitator, and then you can put community development facilitator, corporate social responsibility manager, and what kind of type, on-site hybrid and local start date and full-time, whatever. Okay, so I'm putting the basic preferences there. Okay, so getting into more information, so you can just send profile in a message. Okay, so I'm just going to send it to a person. Okay, okay, I'm just going to just send it to a person. Okay, I'm just sending it. Okay, you can see that LinkedIn link is just there. Okay, I'm just sending it across. So it just goes as a link. That's level one. You can see my link goes like a photo. Okay, so it's just a clips of it is there so that they can have a look at it. We're just sending it across. Okay, so next one is save to PDF. Okay, you see, when I do this, it gets saved as a PDF. So what I'm going to do is I'm just opening it up. Okay, can you see that? It is just creating a resume for me. Okay, so there's an address there. Okay, whatever I've updated, and you can see the LinkedIn, email link. Okay, that's there, and summary is there as a training officer or whatever. Okay, so three-page. Okay, so information is there so that any person who downloads that would get an idea about what it is. Okay, so let's get into the next part. Okay, so the next part is okay about this profile. Okay, so when you get into about this profile, you will see, join the basic information. Okay, verifications, workplace less than 1 week ago. Okay, and learn how members verify information. Okay, so you can see that identity, workplace, and all those things. And LinkedIn also has a verification tick, which says that this is a recognized person. Somewhere it is there. It'll give a tick like this. So that will help the other person understand what kind of people we are associated with. Okay, so that's a tool that you can, anybody is using. Okay, so that's also there. So getting into this part, you need to, add titles. What are the titles that you want to add? You just, add a title here. Only five you can add here. So I'm just added five here. So you add very specifically search out and put the five best things that you want to put it then. Okay, so and then you can put these three things are the remote, hybrid, whatever. You edit this section, edit the location aspect. Okay, you put it there. What are the on-site locations you're interested? And immediately I'm actively applying. Okay, okay, and full time. So okay, so visibility. Who can view your open to work? Only recruiters. Okay, others, all LinkedIn members won't be able to see that. Okay, so that's how this is designed. Okay, so next is the analytical part, which is that you can see the basic details, what is really happening. So when you see week by week, you will understand that even better. That's there. And then you can get into the next part, which is more about my network. Okay, so you can see your network here. Okay, and you can also try to get into, uh, connect various peoples here. So that's how we can work. So getting into the final aspects here. So you can see the profile views, connections, rejoined, okay, and options there, and and the groups that we are available. Okay, it shows us all the groups that we are part of, and events, and how we discovered. So these informations are there. And going once again to the front page, there is a process to apply, there is a process to network, there is a process to personally message people, and there is a process uh, uh, to handle LinkedIn ads, some of the tools that you can use, and we will cover that in the advanced courses that we have. So you can add some features there. Very simple. You just have to just open, put a photo, put a simple summary, and you'll be able to put it. And I think other things are what you're doing. Okay, the posts that you have shared, the articles that you've shared, the comments that you've given. And once you add all those things, you can keep updating also. And when you do that, it would really help you that others also understand what are the experience that you have. So education experience, keep it formal so that you will get the information to them, okay, the logos and other information. So I also have some crucial certifications, with Microsoft also on digital training, on Excel, OneDrive, and various other platforms like uh, Teams, Word, and other things. Okay, so that's an something that you can show about your some skills you can add. In publication, I have to add another book which I have not added. So these are the big things that you can show, and top voices, companies you can just keep following and seeing the groups, newsletters. So you can subscribe that. You will get a notification and you can read it, and so uh, that's the end. So let's see that we will really use this platform to the greater extent, so that we are really learning things, and really getting the best out of the effort that we are putting to help you really gain so many things.